This is Valentine. The topic here, we want to set up Elasticsearch, Amazon Elasticsearch in VPC. And we set up the domain already, and also we used that the security group, right? And in secret group, we also assigned the network or the inbound rules, right? And there are also outbound rules. Another thing that the security so the Elasticsearch is in one subnet, and to access subnet, we need to set up the network access control list. And it's in here. We will make sure that it is allow some traffic to go in to reach the Amazon Elasticsearch. So we need to double check. So this is subnet, and go there. The Elasticsearch domain is using, and this subnet is this one, okay. And the reason we check the network access is UDM dev stitch dbacl. We make sure that this subnet is this okay, and we make sure that this one has the proper settings. And 0C003. So see that the filter, actually the Amazon should improve here, right? So this is the network XL ID. So we need to okay, this one, okay, two subnets. See, this is two subsets the Elasticsearch domain is put in. So we'll see. So we care about the inbound rule and outbound rule, right? So this inbound rule, what I'm looking for is this one, HTTP S HTTP, to make sure that HTTP 443 is allowed to enter this subnet. So this is the source. So this is the subnet that we're gonna SSH to. So basically, we will go to this subnet first, then we HTTP access these two subnets where the Elasticsearch is located in. And also outbound, we need to allow it as well. Okay, allow it outbound traffic goes to this. Basically, with these two subnets is where it's like a proxy, right? Go to the proxy first, then we access the Elasticsearch. Okay, so this we need to set up as well. And you will see that this is okay, yeah. Okay, after setup, we will see whether we can access it. So now we, let's see. So we need to go to here. Okay, and we need to, okay, to be clear. So we're gonna use this one. For forward to use this private key, and use this proxy. Is it like a proxy? We go through the SH this host EC2 host first, then we access this one. This is Elasticsearch domain 443 HTTPS. Then map to the local port is 9200. Okay, let's see. Okay, here you will see. Okay, I have to adjust the window size to Make sure you guys see it. Okay, here. Okay, that's good enough. So we're gonna use this one command, right? So here you will see this is the VPC endpoint, the Elasticsearch, for we to access the Elastic search domain. We need this endpoint in the VPC, and okay, let's go to the browser. So localhost, this one, localhost, that is 92, right? Cool, we can access this, right? Send to HTTP port. Okay. Okay, good. So unauthorized. So we are using the HTTP. I set up the master username password, right? Then we will use the post domain, and I just accessed. You can see. Okay. So HTTP. This then we can remove this one and get with basic authentication. So I use this authentication, right? Admin, do you remember? And then we can see the body is empty. Just get it to see what's happening. Cool. See, this is what we set up, right? And it's Elasticsearch. Then we can use other. Just see the, for example, we want to see the health and indices as well. Is any indices inside, right? Indices. Yeah, it has built-in Kibana indices, right? The OpenStudio security, because we're using this to do the multi-tenancy for the Kibana. We'll set it up. Okay, cool. So we set up the Amazon Elasticsearch in the VPC. We can access it through the proxy by setting up the proper network ALC and the secret group. Thank you.